Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss third problem on section of solid. I hope you already saw my both the videos, that is part 1 and part 2 on section of solid, where we have discussed two problems and you have practiced it as well. Let's see the problem. A cone 40 mm diameter and 50 mm axis is resting on one generator on HP. That means it is lying on HP, which is parallel to VP. Draw its projections if it is cut by a horizontal section plane through its base center. Draw sectional top view. As I always said, read the problem twice, thrice, unless and until you interpret the data properly. Let's go through it once again. A cone 40 mm diameter. That means the base of a cone is having a diameter equal to 40 mm and axis 50 mm. That means the height of a cone is 50 mm. Is resting on one generator on HP. It is resting on generator. That means the axis of a cone is inclined to HP. As a basic fundamental of projection of solid, we know that if the axis is inclined to HP, we have to make it perpendicular to HP, so that in front view we will get the height of a cone and in top view we will get the circle. If the axis is inclined to VP, then we will make it perpendicular to VP. So in front view we will get a circle, whereas in top view we will get the height. Okay, but now in this case the axis is inclined to HP. So make it perpendicular to HP, and in front view what we will get? We will get the circle, and in in top view we will get the circle, and in front view we will get the height. So let's draw x-axis, y-axis. Draw a circle equal to 40 mm diameter. Divide the circle into 12 number of parts. Here I have divided it into 8 number of parts, but you divide it into 12 equal number of parts, so that we get the closer points to draw a smooth curve. Now draw the front view by projecting the points from top view. So here I have projected the points, and here what I got is the front view. So you can see here A dash, B dash and H dash, C dash and G dash, F dash and D dash and E dash as a in front view, and O dash. Now what is given? It is resting on one generator. So which is generator? O dash E dash is the generator. So lie it on O dash E dash. So from here to here take a distance equal to O dash E dash. So if this point is O dash and this point is E dash, then in a rounder take a distance equal to A dash and E dash. By keeping E dash as a center, draw an arc, then take in a rounder distance equal to O dash A dash, and then keeping this point as a center, cut this arc. So you will able to construct the front view of a cone lying on one of its generator. So let's mark the point. So mark the point. So here what we got is O dash, A dash, E dash, and measure this distance, and from then mark it over here and mark point H dash B dash. This is center line. Draw the center line, mark C dash as well as G dash like this. Then project all the points to draw the top view. So here I am projecting the points, and now project from points from top view. So here I have projected the points from top view. Now horizontal line from point A, vertical line from point A. So this will be point A. Horizontal line from point B, vertical line from point B. So this will be point B. Horizontal line from point C, vertical line from point C. This will be point C. Horizontal line from point D, vertical line from point D. It is intersecting here, so this will be point D. Like this, mark all the points and join the curve. So this is what we got. So this is the border. Now as we study in section in projection of solid, when we are drawing the top view in second stage, and if we are doing the problem or solving the problem by first angle method, then the observer is here. So the observer is here. and when observer watches or observes the object, all the points which are away from the observer, that means if observer is here, this is the extreme point which is away from the observer, and lines going through point, this extreme point will be generally dotted. Now you can see that which are the lines going from point E, E, F as well as ED. But if you observe, point E is the outermost point, and from point E the line which are going is EF1 and ED1, which is the border line, and border line is always dark. So in this case, in this top view, there will be no dotted line. So join all the points and join all the generator points. So this is what we get in top view. Now this is, we are in now second stage. Now draw the sectional. Draw its positions if it is cut by a horizontal section plane. That means the cutting plane is horizontal through its base, center. Which is the base center? So just from that base center, this is the base center, this is the base A dash E dash, this is the base center, and from that base center it is said that it is cut by a horizontal section plane. That means the cutting plane is parallel to HP. So this is the horizontal section plane which is parallel to XY from the center of a base. So this is the center of a base. So C dash G dash is the center of base. So parallel to XY line, draw the cutting plane. Now once you draw the cutting plane, then start marking the points. Now let's mark the point. Let's see which are the uh, sides it cuts. So we'll start from this side. O dash A dash. This is the first it will cut. So O dash A dash. So mark it as 0.1. Then O dash B dash. Mark it as 0.2. Then it is passing from the center. So O dash C dash. So mark it as 0.3. Then O dash, which is this point, G dash. So mark it as 4. So this is O dash G dash is 4. Then O dash H dash. So mark it as 5. So these are the 5 points which we get when the horizontal cutting plane cuts the cone. Now project this point downward on in top view. So I am projecting the point downward. So I projected point 1, projected point 2 as well as 5, because both the points lie in the same plane, on the same line. Okay, and then mark it. So O dash A dash, and you can see here OA. So horizontal line from OA. So this is O1 A1. So on O1 A1 line, and take a projector from point 1 and mark it as point 1. So you can see here our first point in front view is on O dash A dash. So in top view it is on O1 A1 point 1. Then second point is on O dash B dash. So which is the O dash in top view, this is O1 B1. So project it again, second point. So this is O1 B1 point. So this is the projector from point 2, and this is the point 2 on O1 B1. Then point 3 is on O dash C dash. That means here it is O1 C1. That means the third point will come here. So here the third point comes on O1 C1. Then fourth point is on OG, O dash G dash. So where it is in top view, O1 G1. Here it is in top view. So project, take a line. Already we have took a line, projector from point 4, and here we get point 4. Then point 5 is on O dash H dash. So in top view O1 H1. So project point 5 from here, which we already done, and mark it as point 5. So this is the locus of a curve which we got when the cutting plane is parallel to XY line or HP. So join this plane and draw hatching line at an angle of 45 degree. So this is what we got is the sectional top view. and this is also the true shape of a section. Why true shape of a section? Because when we observe this, the observer line is perpendicular to this cutting plane, so that means the observer is exactly opposite to this and he is in the perpendicular line. So from here when he observes, he will get the true shape. So this is the sectional top view as well as the true shape. So this is showing the true shape of a section and horizontal section plane. I hope you got the concept, and do practice for this problem. Thank you. Thanks a lot.